Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. So I am going to show you how to factory reset this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. So just follow the steps and you can do factory reset to your speaker as well. So alright, first I am going to show you how the speaker will behave when we do factory reset. After turning on the speaker, we have to do factory reset. Then the speaker will turn off with the shutdown sound. And once you turn on the speaker, and it will automatically enter in the pairing mode. So that is the signs of factory reset. So let me do it. So turning on the speaker here. So this is the turn on sound. So now we have to press volume up button and this play pause button at a time. The speaker will turn off automatically. So let me do that. So speaker is turned off, sound has come. So now if you turn on the speaker, it will enter in the pairing mode automatically. So let me turn on. You can see now it has entered in pairing mode. So factory reset has been done to this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.